Hello students, today we would be taking a small cloze test as a solved example. The cloze test passages judge you on your vocabulary and the way your logical thought process is framed. So let's go through this. As a rule of thumb, a manned mission costs from 50 to 100 times more than a comparable unmanned mission. That means manned mission is costly than unmanned mission. Okay, and it says that it is actually 50 to 100 times more. Thus for scientific exploration alone, so it says ki because I just need to have a scientific exploration, I would rather not go for a costly mission which is manned mission. I would go for an unmanned mission. That means my answer for question number 1 would be unmanned. Employing machine intelligence are. So this is in terms of cost, whereas in terms of, so with what I would prefer is, if unmanned mission is actually cheap, I would prefer it because I am trying to do only and only scientific exploration. That means unmanned mission would be preferred, right? Do we have an option called preferred? Yes. However, there will may be dash other than scientific for exploring. So it says that there could be reasons other than scientific exploration. Do we have a word called reasons? Yes, we have. Other than scientific for exploring. So what are we trying to explore over here? Typically, if you go through the options, I had a little confusion in this question, that it could be a moon, it could be a sun. Mission will not be my answer, but I realized that moon and sun anyway are going to be a part of space first of all, and then the missions are typically undertaken for space. So I actually went for this answer, and luckily, or by my thought process, I got it right. Other than, so let's go through it. Other than scientific for exploring social, economic, political, cultural or historical. This was an easy guess for me. So what we gradually do is, this was an easy cloze test. We'll keep on taking a couple of more cloze test passage with difficult words. I took up an easy one and which is not very lengthy, just to make sure that you guys can start your preparation. As a matter of fact, vocabulary, having a good vocabulary would be very, very important to solve these kind of questions. And I would genuinely advise all of you to go through a book called World Power Made Easy by Norman Lewis. I'll see you guys in the next class. Thank you.